Hello and welcome to ARMO platform. In this video, we're going to show how to read the compliance scan results. To install ARMO, we are going to use the helm snippet provided by ARMO platform. And after deploying the operator, we can see results in my account in less than 3 minutes. Navigating to the compliance section, we see the clusters that were scanned with some metadata to help us understand which cluster we're looking at. We can drill down to the cluster's results where we have two sections. At the top, there are the frameworks that were scanned against this cluster, and each one of them has its own compliance score to state how compliant is this cluster against this framework. In this case, we can see the NSA and the MITRE frameworks, and ARMO also supports the CIS benchmark for EKS and AKS, and also supports creating customized frameworks and scheduled scans. Looking at the results table, we can see the controls that failed because these are the ones that should be taken care of in order to improve the security posture and the compliance score. Each control has its own details about the severity, the remediation, the description, and the compliance score. The filters at the top of the table are used to sort and filter according to what we want to see. Each row in the table is a control, meaning a test being evaluated by Kubescape and the results of it. This control checks for privileged capabilities, and we can see how many resources failed by testing this control against my environment. Upon clicking the Fix button, the next view is the side-by-side remediation detailed view. This is ARMO's way to show what the issue is, where it is, and how to solve it. On the left-hand side, we're able to see a list of resources that failed, and on the right-hand side, we see the side-by-side remediation suggestion with more information regarding the failed test. If I'm not the owner of this issue, I can use the collaboration to open a Jira ticket straight from the platform. Let's fix it together right now and see how it affects my results. What we're looking at right now is the deployment named demo deployment, and it failed for the privileged container control. And the side-by-side remediation suggests I remove this privileged true line. So I have the original file right here, and this is the privileged true that the suggestion to remove. And I also have a fixed version of that file with some more information like security context and network policy to solve some more issues and controls. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to apply this fixed version. And let's see how it affects my compliance score. What we can see is the NSA compliance score increased to 78%, and specifically for the privileged container control, it now says 7 failed instead of 8. And this is how you improve your compliance score with ease.